Hello, my friends. It's time for your daily drill with your buddy Phil. Today, we're going to take a look at various areas. We're going to take a look at the earlier chapters in the PMBOK guide. So why don't we jump straight into this question from chapter 2? System factors described in the PMBOK guide under organizational systems include what? Five, four, three, two, and one. The answer to this, my friends, is A. It's management elements. Beware of political structure types. That is not considered under organizational systems. I would advise you to open up to chapter 2 and take a look at the right answer. You do need to know some information about organizational systems for your test. Let's move on to the next one. Inflation rates is an or a what? I'll give you 30 seconds. Five, four, three, two, and one. Inflation rates is an external enterprise environmental factor. Again, in chapter 2, you have the breakout of EEFs into internal EEFs and external EEFs. I have a mnemonic for both. For internal and external, we have my senator legalized cranberry and granola for patients. And we have, in the case of the other one, we have a mnemonic, only great individuals inspire resources every day. So open up the PMBOK guide and see which mnemonic fits which. Use it as a method to remembering EEFs. Here's your next question. Systems can be described as what? I'll give you 30 seconds. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Systems can be described as non-linear in responsiveness. Remember, systems are not linear in responsiveness. So making a change to one aspect of a system does not necessarily mean you will experience that same change across the board. So systems are nonlinear in responsiveness. It's probably worth opening up chapter 2 and reading a little bit about systems properties. I cannot guarantee you will not get this on the exam. Here's your next question. System components can be optimized. I'll give you 15 seconds for this. All right, 3, 2, and 1. And the answer to this is system components can indeed be optimized. You can optimize system components. Let's go to our next question. Dash are the components that comprise the key functions or principles of general management in the organization. So here, I'll give you another 15 seconds. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The answer to this is management elements. Management elements are the components that comprise the key functions or principles of general management. Okay, here's your final question for the day. In which organization types does the project manager have high to almost total power? This should be a very easy one for you. I'll give you 30 seconds for it. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the answer to this, my friends, is none other than A. It's project-oriented and PMO. Now, before we go any further, I want to alert you to the fact that on the CAPM exam, you could be tested about this stuff across the board because chapters 1, 2, and 3 are in the CAPM exam content outline. If you are a PMP, this lingo needs to be like second nature to you because it could be baked into any of the questions. All right, so this will be our final one. In which organization types does the project manager have moderate to high power? This is easier than the former one. I'll give you 15 seconds. Three, 2, and 1. The answer to this is obviously the strong matrix. Remember, strong, that's where the PM is strong. And that is the best answer to this question. In which organization type does a project manager have moderate to high power? Project-oriented is not moderate to high, it's high to almost total. So you need to remember the difference for your exam. All right, for those of you who are looking for training and coaching for the PMP exam, you got to remember, my friends, head on down to the website, pmsucceed.com, because we want you to succeed. We have training coming up. It's actually starting. We've got like an open house session for you to just come through, see how the training goes. That's tomorrow, but on the 15th of August, that is when training starts in earnest. So if that sounds like something that you would like to be part of, go on down to the website, pmsucceed.com. There is so much that we have in store for you that it doesn't even make sense going anywhere else, because the training that we offer for the PMP exam on pmsucceed.com, it just blows everything else for miles out of the water, okay? So when you get to pmsucceed.com, scroll down and hit reserve your spot. Join right away, and we'll look forward to seeing you there. Take care, and bye for now.